Greetings, my name is Betrisisa Anakbala from Subgroup 7. Me and my group will present our poster on a research article titled Coupling Laccase Production from Trametes pubescene with Heavy Metal Removal for Economic Wastewater Treatment. This is our poster. The authors of the research article are Naimeh Inayati Zamir, Jing Liu, Li Wang, Xiu Ying Lin, and Peng Zheng Fu. The first part of the poster is the introduction. Heavy metal can be very dangerous, especially when it is in contact with water. Thus, the use of laccase produced by fungus, which is Trametes pubescene, has been discovered to be efficient in degrading heavy metal compounds. There are two objectives of the research. Firstly, is to evaluate simultaneously the impact of nickel and lead on the fungus, which is Trametes pubescene, growth, and laccase production, and the removal efficiency by Trametes pubescene. Secondly is to determine the effect of two heavy metals, plumbum and nickel, on the laccase activity in Trametes pubescene.
Hello everyone, my name is Rachel Mani Anakmuyang with the matrix number 82298. I will be presenting on the methodology of this research. They started off with monitoring of the effects of heavy metals, lead and nickel toward the radial growth of fungal strain Trametes pubescens MB89. The second step is the induction of laccase production and conducting laccase activity assay. The third step includes determination of in vitro stability of laccase activity in the presence of nickel and lead. The fourth step is the in vivo production of laccase in the presence of nickel and lead. The fifth step is the bioabsorption of lead and nickel by Trametes pubescens. The sixth step is the determination of the removal process of lead and nickel by Trametes pubescens using the scanning electron microscopy, the transmission electron microscopy, energy dispersive X-ray, and the Fourier transform infrared assay. The seventh step is the determination of the viability of Trametes pubescens in the presence of lead and nickel. And the last step is the statistical analysis using the statistical package for the social science program. And that is the end of the methodology. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Janet Anak Frank Clifton, matrix number 81108. Next, I will present about the result and discussion from the research article. First result that I will present is result 4.1, which is about the heavy metal effect on fungal growth in agar plates. Figure 2 shows radius growth of Trametes pubescens inhibition on PDA medium with different concentration of Pb and Ni, A, and half maximal effective concentration EC50 of Pb and Ni, B against T pubescens. The EC50 and EC80 of Pb and Ni showed different effect of metals on the T pubescens growth. The growth was decreased with the increase in both Pb and Ni concentrations. T pubescens was more tolerant against Pb than Ni. Next, result 4.2, heavy metal effect on T pubescent laccase activity, stability, and production. Figure 3 shows in vitro measurement of the laccase activity stability after 6 and 24 hours exposure at different concentration of Ni, A, and Pb, B in cuvette. This graph shows the laccase production in the presence of Ni was different. Laccase production was decreased in the presence of Pb. The induction of the laccase activity only occurred at low concentration of Ni. When the Ni concentration was increased to higher concentration, the laccase production would be declined. Next, result 4.3, Pb and Ni bioabsorption and removal by T pubescens. Figure 4 shows that Trametes pubescens Pb, A, and Ni, B bioabsorption and removal from the solution, which has the initial concentration of 1000 parts per million. On exposure to Ni, the highest bioabsorption rate, which is 8.6%, by T pubescence was obtained, while a maximum Pb removal and bioabsorption was 97.3% and 99.56% after 72 hours. This shows that T pubescent strain was more effective for Pb removal at the high concentration of 1000 ppm. In conclusion, the impact of Ni and Pb on laccase stability of T pubescence and the removal of two heavy metal from aqueous solution were examined. Fungal T pubescence is effective in the heavy metal removal from the water environment, while their laccase production is not inhibited. That is all from our group. Thank you.